Easy Christmas Dialogues, Elementary Level.
Ho, ho, ho!
Do you like Christmas?
Yes, I do.
What do you do at Christmas?
I decorate a Christmas tree and have dinner with my family.
Do you get presents at Christmas?
Yes, I do. I get a lot of present from my family and friends.
How do you celebrate Christmas?
We eat dinner together, sing Christmas carols, and open presents.
Do you believe in Santa Claus?
No, I don't, but I like movies about him.
What do you do on Christmas Eve?
We have a family dinner.
Do you exchange gifts with your friends at Christmas?
Yes, I do. We have a secret Santa game.
Do you sing Christmas carols?
Yes, I do. My favorite one is Jingle Bells.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
I'd like a new laptop computer.
Do you visit your family at Christmas?
Yes, I do. We always spend Christmas together.
Do you send Christmas cards?
No, I don't. I usually send an email or a text message.
Do you hang stockings at Christmas?
Yes, I do. I hang them by the fireplace.
Do you bake Christmas cookies?
Yes, I do. I make gingerbread cookies every year.
Do you have a Christmas party at home?
No, I don't. We have a Christmas party at work.
Have you done your Christmas shopping yet?
No, I haven't. I'm going shopping for presents this weekend.
What's your dream Christmas gift?
A trip to a snowy country, like Austria or Switzerland.
What's your favorite thing about Christmas?
Getting together with my family.
Do you leave some milk and cookies for Santa Claus at Christmas?
No, I don't, but my children do.
Do you like watching Christmas movies?
Yes, I do. My favorite one is Home Alone.
Have yourself a very Merry Christmas.
Thank you. I hope you have a great Christmas too.